Hello everyone, welcome to English for my students. I am one of the teachers at GUES, Grace and Unity English School, and I am so happy to meet you again in order to let you have English at home. Remember, you are attending an English course designed to help you improve your English skills. Then, make of English your cup of tea. I hope that you've enjoyed the previous videos, like the letter Q, the letter R, the letter S, and so on. And today we are going to learn the letter B and its sound. That means we are going to learn the difference between the letter B and its sound. Okay, remember now you are attending an English course at GUES. Even though you are home, so you are attending an English course at GUES. Remember, don't forget to go to our YouTube channel, or you are on the YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe, to like the video, and so you can share the videos to your friends in order to let them to learn English. Okay, before going to the point, we are going to learn an empty. What is an empty? An empty stands for mobile thought. The M is for mobile, and the T is for thought. You use an empty to encourage someone, to ask someone to act in a different manner, but the different manner should be better. You use an empty to give someone a piece of advice. You can use an empty too to discourage someone. That depends on what you wanna say. But myself, I advise you to use the empty to encourage people, to advise people. That's gonna be better for the word, also for you. Okay, now let's go to the point. The letter B and its sound. Okay, remember when you use the letter, when you learn the alphabet. But when you speak, you use the sound instead of the letter. What does it mean? You cannot say B or letter fly. Okay, you have to use the sound. And this is what you are going to know today. Okay, here we have the letter B, but the sound is B. B. You see, the letter is B, the second letter of the English alphabet, B, but the sound is B, B. And we are going to know how to use or how you use the sound in many words. Our first word is butterfly. We have here butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. You see, butterfly, 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 butterfly. I saw a butterfly in the garden yesterday. I saw a butterfly in the garden yesterday. I saw a butterfly in the garden yesterday. What is a butterfly? A butterfly is an insect. Okay, sometimes you have a caterpillar, and the caterpillar turns into a butterfly. This is what we call a butterfly. This is a butterfly. This is a nice insect. Okay, this is a butterfly. Butterfly. A butterfly, it is an insect. Okay, and we have our second sentence with the word bicycle. Bicycle. You see here, you don't say bicycle, but you say bicycle. 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 Great. Ari received a bicycle for going to GUS. Ari received a bicycle for going to GUS. Ari received a bicycle for going to GUS. Bicycle. Bicycle. The sound B. What is a bicycle? This is what we call a bicycle. A bicycle is a tool. Okay? So you can ride a bicycle. Okay, so you want a bicycle. This is what we call a bicycle. A bicycle. Bicycle. Great. This is what we call bicycle. It's a tool. It's like a material you use to leave a place to go in another place. Okay, so I can leave Kenskoff and I go to Fremont on a bicycle. Okay, great. This is bicycle. We have here bicycle. Harry received the bicycle for going to GUS. Our third sentence is blood has red color. Blood has red color. This is our third word. Our third word is blood. You say blood. 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 Okay? Blood. What is blood? Okay? This is what we call blood. The red things you see here is a blood. Blood. Okay? Blood has red color. You see here. Here we have blood. We have blood. Great. This is what we call blood. And here we have a sentence in which we combine the three words. Butterfly, bicycle, and blood. The bicycle accident that makes my cousin blood pours was caused by a butterfly. That means my cousin makes an accident. Why? Because a butterfly makes an accident by riding on his bicycle. I'm sorry, bicycle. You say bicycle, blood, butterfly. Our first word is butterfly. Second, the cycle. And the third, the last, blood. Okay, here we have language notes. You can look for these words on your dictionary. Accident, cousin, to pour, this is a verb. Garden, it's a noun. Color, color is also a noun. Here we have GUS. So you will not find GUS in the dictionary. So you are going to find GUS on our YouTube channel, on our Facebook page, on our Facebook group. So you can go to become a member on our Facebook group or a member of our Facebook group. You can follow and like our Facebook page, and you can go on our YouTube channel, you like and you subscribe. So you can share all of these three things. Our YouTube channel, our Facebook group, and our Facebook page. GUS is where English can be your cup of tea. So let's make a review. We have here empty. Empty is more up. The way to get started is to quit talking and start acting. The way to get started is to quit talking and start acting. That means so you have to stop talking, stop complaining, stop saying Haiti is a bad country, stop saying that so I can't do anything, so I can't find a job. So stop complaining, but start acting. You stop complaining, you stop acting. So you act. Because the way to get started is to quit talking and start acting. We have here three words: butterfly, bicycle, and blood. Butterfly, bicycle, blood. I saw a butterfly in the garden yesterday. Harry received the bicycle for going to GUS. Blood as white color. The bicycle accident that makes my cousin blood pours was caused by a butterfly. And we have language notes: accident, cousin, to pour, garden, GUS, color. Remember, GUS is where English can be a cup of tea. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that we are going to meet again in another video. Bye bye.